Good evening, everyone.
We're Jim and Shelley.
So we've survived another winter storm.
Yes, it was one of the worst storms this year.
We had our reporters out in the elements to give us these stories.
Oh, yes.
Here is our reporter, Sue,
been swirling around,
from
trying to figure out
Cedarburg.
why on earth is our security light keep going on. Well, you might be able to see them. It's a little difficult. With all of this snow, look at it. Look at it piling up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But the snow was swirling around the security light and it keeps setting it off. I thought maybe there's a deer out here somewhere. Or is there a cow? No, nothing. But it's definitely brisk this morning and windy. Stay safe out there. Storm trackers reporting.
Well, that was quite a report.
I would say. Did you see all that snow?
She opened the door. I'm surprised she was able to get it back closed. It was blowing in there so hard.
I know. Oh,
So,
goodness.
such terrible weather. The visibility, you could hardly see out there, even with the bright light.
Right.
The cold temperatures, the blowing, drifting snow is keeping even the wildlife away. Just incredible. Quite a remarkable report
Yes.
from Sue
Thank
in
you, Sue.
Cedarburg.
Thank you, Sue.
As a reminder that during this bad weather, you should really take care of your animals. Make sure your dogs and cats and pigs are kept warm. Let them in, let them sleep on the couch for the night, whatever.
Right. Yes.
Maybe take your bed and you sleep on the couch, whatever is appropriate for your family. Well, in spite of the conditions, I was able to get out a little bit this morning and get some footage of the snowfall as well. Shall we take a look?
Yes, let's take a look. It's truly something.
Looks like we had some snow move into the area. Roads are probably going to be a little treacherous. Visibility down a little bit. Snowplows are trying to keep up. Cedarburg, Wisconsin, where a major winter storm went through overnight and into this morning. So there you have it.
Wow.
Got some outs and abouts.
I'd say.
It was really quite pretty out there with the snow-covered trees and things like that.
Oh, I'll agree. It was very beautiful.
I saw
However-
a couple cars admiring the beauty as they sat in the ditch. This must be
He must have really been enjoying
yeah, they must have really been enjoying the snow.
Yes.
All right, then. This has been another report from Jim.
And Shelley.
We'll talk to you next time.
Yes, we will.
Yes,
Bye
we
for
will.
now.
Bye for now.